Hello, I'm Tutor Nick. Welcome to video 9 in my series on the English language. In this video, we are going to start using the English language. First, we learn to greet people and to make introductions. I will read the text on the screen. I will leave a silence for you to repeat what I have read. Let's go.
Hello, my name is Tom. What is your name? Hi Tom, my name is Mike. This girl is my friend. Her name is Lucy. Hello, Lucy. Pleased to meet you. My name is Tom. Hi, Tom. Pleased to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from Slovenia. And you? I'm from England. Where are you from, Mike? I'm from Canada. This is my friend. His name is Paolo. Hello, Paolo. You are from Italy, right? You are right, Mike. I am from Italy. Paolo is a very Italian name.
Well done. That wasn't so difficult, was it? Don't forget. Repeat each sentence after you hear it. And do the exercise 3 or 4 times to make sure that you are happy with the way you say it. Don't worry about mistakes. Goodbye. See you soon.